Hello everyone, welcome back to Deliveo. In this recording, we're going to have a quick look on how to use the new orders, the live shipments, and the archive menus from the shipment option menu. Let's have a look. As you see in the new orders, I have already installed 4 new orders into our system. They are all assigned to the client eShop, and you can see the group IDs here. You can check the group IDs by clicking on the group ID and seeing more details about each order. Now we've covered those before, so I'm gonna just go and show you how many columns you have at every new order section. You can see all of the details of the order on the new order, and you can search them through the search bars here and in every column separately. So you can check from a single detail of the order what the order is and where it is. Now, you see here that there is a button of operations. We can have the delete selected order, or we can merge multiple cells together into a single order. This makes it a single ID, and it has a single tracking number in order to be found. Now, we also have the map, through which we can see exactly on the map our couriers, our delivery points, and where we can assign more orders on one of our couriers. We see here that one of my couriers is now located in Greece. Now, this courier has to pick up a lot of parcels, so it's better not to give him too much. But for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to give him more in order to do so. Now, you can see here the details of each of the packages, and as well check where the packages need to go from and where. Simply by dragging the parcel and placing it onto our courier, you can assign the order very simply. Also, you can do the same from the new order section, just by clicking the orders you like and assigning them to one of our couriers. ABC123 is the courier we're going to choose today. Now, as you can see, all of these orders have been given to this courier, and they are all into the live shipment section. They're the latest orders we've given today, so we can filter them out by the date of the dispatch. Let's see them on the map. Today. Lovely. These are the 3 orders. Now, in the live shipment section, you can either pick up the order, delete the order, or deliver the order. You can see that there are multiple fields to see again, and those columns can see the fare, the insurance, the cash on delivery, all kinds of things. What's the currency, what's the shipment ID, what's the pickup time, and when it needs to be delivered. Lovely. Now, we can export this into a hit list, so you can use them for any kind of reason you like, or you can do it in a CSV file. There is also the option to close down some of the latest columns and have fewer columns in order to show on the system, so it doesn't drag too much time. Lovely. Let's have a pickup for one of our orders for this demonstration. We say that the pickup is made from this courier. We save it up, and now you see here that there's the delivery of shipment option button, which you can now deliver the shipment through the dispatcher interface. By delivering the shipment here, we can say that it is successful. You also have unsuccessful options to choose from. You can basically choose return to sender, return back to sender, or any kind of delivery option. Those options are infinite. You can place them yourselves into our system. There is no limit for that. So let's say for this demonstration that the option was received by the consignee, and it was successful. Let's save it up. Now this option goes back to the archive. Now in the archive, you can see all of the orders that your company has done from our software. So all of the orders that Deliveo that have gone through Deliveo can be seen into the archive, so you always have data on what happened to the order, the whole log of the order, where it was recorded, when it was packaged added, when it was priced, when it was sent, and when it was successfully delivered. You can also see the documents in this section. Any kind of document can be seen here, and you can also see the information and the shipment options. Lovely. Now, if you would like for any reason to reopen the package, you can open the package again, have it reopened, and it will go back to the live shipments. As you can see, if we choose today, we can have back the order we just delivered. It's open again. Now, in the next section, we're going to see how the documents are used in Deliveo and how we can have a quick look on how to use our sheets for our couriers and for our company. Stay tuned.